In this video, I'm going to show you how to change NinjaTrader to dark mode. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your NinjaTrader, and then you want to click on Tools up top, and then hit Settings at the bottom. And then over here under Preferences, which should be up here, you want to extend these. And down here at the very bottom, it says Skin. Now, it says NinjaTrader by default. You want to click on that, and then you have a few options. So you have Dark, Light, NinjaTrader Dark, and then Slate Dark, Slate Gray, and Slate Light. So you can choose whichever, but if you want dark mode, as the title of this video says, you can go for NinjaTrader Dark or just Dark. Click on that, press apply, and then press OK. And after that, you're going to have to restart. So I'm going to just close down all windows. I'm going to reopen my NinjaTrader over here. And then once it reopens, as you can see, it already is showing dark mode. Let me just quickly sign in to show you this is actually working. I'm just going to authorize really quickly. There we go. And after this starts loading up after a few seconds, you will already be able to see that it's now in dark mode. So there we go. It's starting to load up. Okay, so as you can see, everything is now in dark mode and you've successfully changed the skin. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.